on live to do my hair for my birthday tomorrow. I am going to be trying out, I feel like I bought some a while back ago, but I never used them. I'm not sure. So this is gonna be my first time. This is a terrible angle. I'm really hoping this doesn't take that long because, you know, I kind of just want to have a, well, you know what? I have a lot to do today. It would be nice to just kind of enjoy my last day of being 25. This is my last day of being 25, oh my gosh. Okay. This is an old hairstyle that I did. Probably by the time you see this video, you've seen that I did an IG reel. So I'm starting the live at 5. This is my first time doing a live on my Patreon that involves me doing my hair. This is also the first time I'm doing my live on Patreon when I have more, why did I say it like that? When I have multiple Patreons. Like I had a good amount of Patreons, or patrons, that's what you really call them. That's what Patreon used to describe the members of the Patreon. Yeah, so I had a small community there, but now since I've been advertising and pushing out my Patreon, more of you have joined the Patreon family, and I'm so grateful. I'm like so happy our Patreon family is growing. But anyway, so yeah, I'm not sure who's all gonna come, because I know some people sometimes don't get the notification that I'm gonna go live, or some people don't check Patreon daily. And I did kind of say this last minute that I was gonna do this, so I'm kind of nervous to see who's all gonna show up. Like I know there's like my core peeps, you know, you know who I'm talking about. Shout out to you guys. We've been doing our live monthly video chats and everything. Like we've been growing a bond. We just talk like we're just really like just friends. We talk about everything. But anyway, so I'm just curious to see who's gonna be there. So my plan was to have co-wash my hair before I started the live so I could just go straight into the style. But of course, that didn't happen. So I am gonna have to co-wash my hair on the live. Because if I try to do it now, what time is it? Oh yeah, it's 4:42. And if I try to do it now, I'm gonna be late, and I don't need to be late to the live. So I'm trying to just take out my style that I did really quick, and this is gonna be really interesting, me trying to co-wash my hair on camera. I don't know how that's gonna work out. I'm gonna obviously have to go in the sink. So we'll see. We'll see how that goes. That's gonna be interesting. Yeah, so I just want to kind of show you guys the before. I would try my best to remember to add in some clips of me doing my hair so you guys can kind of see the gist. I'm not going to say I'm an expert because I don't know what the heck I'm doing here, to be frankly honest. To be so honest with you guys, I'm so clueless. So thank you to YouTube for these times, because I'm actually watching some Bantu Knot videos. This girl's is really good. It's like pretty simple. It's Quick and Easy Flexi Rod 2020 Natural Hair by I don't know if I'm gonna butcher her name. Sorry if I do. But Sayero, maybe? So credits go to her if this hairstyle, if this Flexi Rod turns out well, because I'm gonna do the technique that she's using, which I know it's the horseshoe method, and I feel like an older YouTuber used to do that. I feel like a lot of the methods really are kind of like redone, but they're all from like older YouTubers. So I'm gonna finish taking out, I have a little few of my mini braids. I'm gonna finish taking, I'm getting hot. Oh my gosh, I'm getting nervous. If you joined the live, this is how I've been. I'm nervous to see you before. Okay, anyways, all right, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna, yeah. about to take these babies out. I slept with them overnight. I'm hoping that they turn out good, aka they're dry enough. But you know, today's the day. Today is the birthday. I don't have time to even waste. So let's just get started. Wait, actually, do I even need to put any oil? Let's just... Oh, yep, they definitely don't feel all the way dry, but it's okay. Uh-oh. Let's give you guys a little close up. I would say that they're like 90% dry. Wow. They're so easy to take out too. Okay, I'm looking like, I feel like Shirley Temple. Oh my gosh, interesting. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in and separate them. They are still a little wet, which is like, you know, that's fine. Alright, for the first time ever, I'm gonna try some hairspray. Wish me luck. Oh, it's BB Bumblebee. There you go. Okay. Whew. Okay. Ooh. I don't know what that did, or if that did anything at all. So my hair is really shrunken up still, but you know, I'm kind of liking the cute little short look, so I'm just gonna keep it. I don't want to bother my hair too much. That's when I start really messing it up. So this is the look.